This photo was completely still, but in the next moments, I'll make it blink, move, and talk.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Life with Jane. Today, I've got something really special to share with you.
I want to introduce you to a free AI tool that can create images, can make your images do whatever you want, can even make your images say whatever you want.
This tool is just as good as VO3, no watermark, fully free.
Let me first of all show you another video I made with it.
Why did you not tell me you were married, you wicked man? You this stupid man, you have had the guts to cheat on me. You must give me the money you promised today, oh. I don't want this kind of husband, I dash you.
What have I done to my life?
And that's not even the craziest part. This same tool can turn a single photo into 4 totally different styles of video. Sexy version, fat version, normal version, and custom version.
I can't marry him after what I just found out.
Yes, you can add background sounds. You don't need coins, you do not need credits to make this AI tool work. And you have unlimited generations. Plus, it has no watermark. Crazy, right? The name of this AI tool is Grok AI, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it and make it work, and it's extremely easy. Everything will be done on my phone. So let's get into it.
Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download this AI tool called Grok. When you click it, it opens up like this. It has 2 panels, the Ask panel and the Imagine panel, okay? For the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create images from text. So we're going to be on the Ask panel here. I'm going to go to a document I've prepared that has all the prompts we're going to be using for today. So I'm going to click this first one. It's a text to image prompt. And this prompt is going to be linked in the description box. But before you can have access to it, you have to subscribe to the channel. So back here, I'm going to click here and I'm going to paste this prompt. And I'm going to press the send button. Now I'm doing this in real time, so you see how long it takes for it to generate images for you, okay? So you can see the images are generated and this is what it looks like. This is the first one. This is the second one. So amongst these two, I like this one. I'm going to click here and download. The reason why I'm creating these images in the Ask is because Ask segments can create images for you in 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, let's try the imaging with this same prompt. I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to click here, imaging. This is the imaging interface. They have lots of beautiful things they've generated before. So I'm going to come here to type the image. You have the image section and the video section. I'm going to paste this same prompt and I'm going to press the send button. And you see the images are generated, but you can see that they're in the vertical format. They are not horizontal, even though I have the same prompt. So note that about Grok. Now, this keeps on giving you infinite amount of generations. Infinite amount of generations. But you can see that it somewhat tries to keep the characters somewhat consistent. Now, let's turn it to a video. Still with imaging selected, I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to select the image I saved. It's going to take some time to upload and it's already generating a video. Can you see the video is already generated? It's already playing and it has sound. Without even giving it a prompt. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to my documents and I'm going to copy this prompt. This prompt is to turn the image to a video, right? I'm going to go back to Grok. I'm going to click here. They say type to customize your video. I'm going to press this and I'm going to press send. The video will start generating and you see the drop down here. The video is done. Let's look at it.
You shouldn't have come back.
This is nothing short of amazing. Even what I told you to say in my prompt, you can say shouldn't have come back, is even lip sync. So it does the animation, it does the lip sync, and is amazing. You can see the first one it generated for me is this. This one is the second one, lip sync. So if you want to download the video, very easy. You click this download button here and your download has started. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a video straight. We are back on the imaging tab. We are going to click here and we are going to scroll to video and I'm going to paste this prompt, right? And I'm going to press the arrow. The video has already been generated.
They're inside. Leave now.
Now, let me show you something else here. When you click options, you can either upscale the video, make it much clearer, or you can remix the video. So if you do the remix, you can select another video and let's see what happens.
They're inside. Leave now.
So this is what the remix does. It mixes the scenes from the first one with the second one, giving you exactly what you want, okay, and also giving us the aspect ratio that we want, okay. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click download. Please note, if you put this mute button off and you download, the video you're going to download is not going to have sound. So now we're going to go to the last example for today, and this example I'm going to use it to show you other things that imaging AI can do that is really fun. We're going to go to imaging. First of all, we're going to click images. This is the next one, so I'm going to paste this prompt and I'm going to press send.
If you've watched at this point and you've gotten something, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the algorithm push my video out to more people.
So you can see the full brief of images it is making for me. So I like this one, so I'm going to click it. Now from this image, I can make a video straight. If Grok AI generated an image for you, as in this case, you can click this drop down over here and you see all these kinds of variations. All right, so let's start for the first one. Let's click custom. So under this custom, I'm going to write the prompt that I want the lady to do, and in this my prompt I even have her saying some words. All right, and we press the send button. You can see it's already creating.
I can't marry him after what I just found out.
So if you click here and you click spicy, let me show you what it generates. So it makes whatever image you have spicy, sexier, okay? Let's try fun. So that's fun. So let's now try normal. Now I'm going to show you the last fantastic thing about Grok AI, and that is you can create from templates. They have these templates right here that you can use to create your video. Let's do the money rain. I'm going to add my image and then it just turns it into a money rain.
So guys, that is it for this video today, and I hope you learned something. Please watch these other videos here that have been specially designed for you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.